Welcome back to Court TV Live. What a morning it has been here. Closing arguments in the case against former police officer Kim Potter out of Hennepin County, Minnesota. We first heard from Aaron Eldridge, the prosecuting attorney for the state of Minnesota, and then Earl Gray got up and delivered a closing argument. And it was an argument to this jury. Let's bring in Matthew Barhoma. He is in Los Angeles, California this morning. And Matthew, your thoughts on Earl Gray? We knew he was going to take over the courtroom. Was it too much?
No, not at all. You know, it felt a little unscripted at times, but he hit on all the really important points, which is that the existence of this of all of these officers together in unity is not a family, and that's not criminal. These are individuals that have no reason to lie and are very credible, and he pointed that out to the jury. He also played in this other factor here, which is superseding cause, right? Pointed out the fact that the victim and the suspect in this case drove away, voluntarily after, and that possibly led to his death. And I thought that was a very good point. And lastly, there was also a really good point that he made, which was reoccurring throughout trial, which is that other officers came to the stand here and said that this may have been a lawful, use of force. So three main reasons here that the prosecution really hit on, and three very strong points. So I thought it was a good closing argument.
For Matthew Frank, who will get the final word for the state, what do you expect and what does he need to do to give jurors a different line of thought going into the deliberation room?
Yeah, well, the defense did a good job at showing the jury that everything the prosecution just said maybe is not really what it seems to be. And so what the prosecution needs to come back here and do is they need to point back to that and say, look, here's all the reasons as to why this is so reckless that it's criminal. It's an uphill battle, Ted. I don't think that this is going to be an easy close for the prosecution. And ultimately, they have an uphill battle here.